Welcome to day 10. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy piece of holiday decor. With this project I use 4 black picture frames, black vinyl adhesive, and my cutting machine. I use Design Space to create my phrase. I chose to spell out the word Noel. I cut out each letter on black vinyl adhesive. I will remove the excess material and apply each letter to the glass. You have the flexibility to hang them vertically or horizontally on your wall. You can also put them up on a desk or mantle. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.